So hello friends, welcome to Code Like a Pro. I am Shalen, and in today's tutorial we are gonna learn Fibonacci series in C++. Okay, so it is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two previous numbers. Means 0 plus 1, it will be 1, right? And 1 plus 1, it will be 2, and 2 plus 1, it will be 3, and 3 plus 2, it will be 5, and 5 plus 3, it will be 8, right? And so on. So it is our algorithm which we are going to apply in our C++ program. I will teach you how does it work. So here I take 4 integer variable. Here I initialize the value of I with 1 and I is less than 6. Means it will run till the I value is less than 6. Means I is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will run 5 times. Okay. It won't go for 6 because it is checking for less than 6. And after completion of loop, I will increase the value of I. Okay. And I have first value is 0 and second value is 1. And I have answer variable for store the sum of f plus s. Okay. So it is our for loop. Let's see how does it work. So I run the loop for the first time. So first line is says print the value of f. What is value of f? It is 0. Let's print it. Okay. So in second line we will sum of f plus s, right? It will be 1, right? And we will store the value of 1 in answer. And in third line I will assign the s value to f. What is s value? It is 1. We will assign it to f. And in fourth line assign the value of answer to s. Okay. It is for one time. Now we will go for second time. Now I value is 2 and 2 is also less than 6. We will run the first line and print the value of f, which is 1, and summation of f plus s, it will give us 2, right? And in third line we will assign the s value to f. Okay. And in fourth line assign s value, answer value to s. It is for second time. Now let's run it for third time. Okay. Again print the value of f. What is new value? It is 1. And in second line do summation of f plus s, it will be 3. And in third line assign the s value to f. Okay. And answer value, it will go for s. Okay. Let's run it for fourth time. Okay. Now our print the value of f. What is our new value? It is 2. Okay, let's print it. Now summation of f plus s, it will be 5, right? Okay. And in third line assign the s value to f. And in fourth line answer goes in s. Okay. Now let's run it last time, fifth time. Again print the value of f, and then assign the value of f plus s. Do summation of f plus s. Now again, s value assigned will be assigned to f. So it is our Fibonacci series, and it will go for 8, 13, and so on. Okay. Now let's do it practically. Okay. So I'm using Turbo C++. So here I include iostream.h and include connew.h to hold the screen get ch and void main, and in void main I will first clear the screen, okay, and then into value I, and for taking the Fibonacci term, taking the input how many times user want to find the number of Fibonacci series, and in we want to show a message, enter the number of terms, and we will take the input to n, okay, and we will show the message Fibonacci series is okay. Now we will start our for loop. I initialize the for loop with 0, and I will go less than 6, and we will increase the value of I, and then simply same as before, see out %n. We want to print the value of f, okay, every time, and then answer is equals to f plus s, okay, and we will assign s value to f, and then also s answer value to s, right? Let's hold the screen to see the output, okay, by get ch. Let's run it. So I entered 8. So here is the Fibonacci series. So as you can see, the C program is running good. So that's it. You can find the source code. Link is in the description, or you can download it from our website. Okay. And if you still have some doubt, you can ask me in comment section, or you can DM me at my Facebook on Insta. Thank you. See you soon.